Begin by navigating to www.jblearning.com. Click on the My Account link at the top of the page and log in to your user account using your current user credentials. Once you have logged into your account, click on the Redeem Code option at the top right of the page. Proceed by reading the Terms and Conditions page that opens. Scroll down as needed, then click the Agree button to continue. The Redeem an Access Code page opens, where you must enter your 10-digit code in the Access Code field. Then click the Redeem button. The code is processed, and a new optional course ID field will open if applicable. Course IDs are required in the event you are enrolling in an instructor-led course. If you know your course ID at this time, you may enter it in the Course ID field provided. If not, you may leave it blank and click the Continue button. Review and confirm your product information on the following page. Then click the Confirm button. Your account's Products page will automatically refresh, displaying your new product and course ID if applicable. Click on the product name to open it. This takes you to a launch page for the first time, displaying various options depending on your product type. If you are accessing a standalone ebook, self-paced course, or previously entered your course ID during registration, you may click the red Launch button to begin using your product. If you are accessing digital content independently and do not need to enroll in an instructor-led course, click the Launch Open Enrollment Course button. If you are enrolling in an instructor-led course and have not yet entered a course ID, you may use the gray Enter Course ID button on this page to enter it and enroll in your course. If you don't know your course ID, please consult your instructor or course administrator.